Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts get confused? Let's simplify it. Hey tech lovers. Welcome back to Tech Tidbits 19. Calling all tech enthusiasts ready to dive into the world of ROMs. Welcome back to Tech Tidbits. Today, we're breaking down the different types of ROMs. First up we have, this one's like the stone tablet of the digital world. Set in stone at the factory and can't be changed. Think of it in your old video game cartridges. Next is, or programmable ROM. You can write data to it, but only once. Imagine it as a CDR where you burn your mix. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's a type of memory chip that you can program just once. Think of it like writing a permanent note. Once the info's in, it stays put. So why is this important? PROM is super useful in gadgets where the instructions never change. Like your microwave or calculator. It's reliable and makes sure your devices work smoothly every time. So next time you press a button on your tech toy, remember, PROM might be the unsung hero making it all happen. Then there's Erasable Programmable ROM. With this one, data can be erased using UV light and rewritten. It's like having a whiteboard instead of a notebook. EEPROM. Today we're diving into EEPROM. That's short for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually super cool and simple to understand. EEPROM is like a chalkboard for your computer. You can write data on it, and if you need to, erase it and start over. Think of it as the sticky note of the digital world. But here's the twist. You need UV light to erase it. Yep, just like magic, a little UV light and boom, it's a clean slate. Why is this important? Well, back in the day, tech wizards used EEPROMs to store data that didn't change often, like firmware or game data. And even today it's used in some specialized applications. So next time you see an old gadget, remember, EEPROM might just be the tiny memory hero inside. We have Electrically Erasable Programmable ROM. You can erase and reprogram it using electricity. It's super handy in devices like your computer's BIOS. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Sounds like a mouthful, right? But basically, it's a type of memory chip that stores small amounts of data even when your device is powered down. Think of it like a tiny filing cabinet in your gadgets. When you adjust settings on your TV or save a high score on your game console, EEPROM is doing the work. What makes EEPROM so cool? You can erase and rewrite data in it electronically, over and over again. Perfect for storing info that might change, like your favorite radio stations or custom settings. EEPROM chips are small but mighty. They can store data for years without... This is why you need to know about flash memory. It's in your phone, your camera, even your gaming console. Flash memory is like a digital filing cabinet. It stores data even when the power is off. No more waiting for your device to boot up. So, how does it work? Think of it as tiny switches that can be turned on or off. These switches store the ones and zeros that make up your files, photos, and apps. And the best part? It's fast, reliable, and can be rewritten thousands of times. Unlike your old-school hard drives, flash memory has no moving parts. This makes it super durable and perfect for portable gadgets. Next time you snap a photo or save a document, give a nod to flash memory. It's the unsung hero keeping your digital world running smoothly. Am I the only one who had no clue what Mask ROM is? Let me break it down for you. Alright folks, Mask ROM stands for Masked Read-Only Memory. It's a type of non-volatile memory, which means it keeps data even when the power's off. So how's it different from other ROMs? Here's the scoop. Mask ROM is programmed during the manufacturing process. Yup, once data is written, it's set in stone. Think of it as an ancient tablet with inscriptions. This makes it super reliable for storing firmware and critical data. But here's the catch. Since it's masked during production, you can't change or update it later. This is why it's perfect for things like game cartridges and embedded systems where the data doesn't need to change. So there you have it. Mask ROM, reliable, permanent, and ideal for unchangeable data. Thanks for watching. Got it? Great. For more tech tidbits, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tidbits 19. See you next time.